DAESUNG. Last Girl. I feel like this is gonna be a slow one. Last Girl. What do you mean by Last Girl? With Han Yohan. I'm not sure who Han Yohan is. Oh, like is Han Yohan a rapper? Let me start from the beginning again. Oh, start off with the chorus. Loki, I want to hear another like R&B DAESUNG track. Yeah. Okay. Oh wait, hold up. Last Girl might be that track for me. That's a fire. They go fire. Ooh, you're my last girl. Oh, this is such a nice song. I want you for you, by your side. Oh, verse 2. Ooh. Yeah. Hey. Ooh. Ooh, I like how Han Yohan came in. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I love your voice. Yeah. Oh, this seems so short. Like it's almost done already. Nah. Okay, so he killed that rap. Han Yohan. I was on fire. Nah, but even DAESUNG was going in too. A little sing rap type of vibe. It's cute. With a little acoustic guitar. The piano. Ooh, that reverse kind of vibe. Hold up, can I hear that one part again? I think it. Yeah, he was going in. Hold up. Ooh. That pre-chorus. Hey, it gives me some nostalgia type of vibe too from this. Okay, wait, hold up. Last Girl might be my favorite song so far.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of EXO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now.